Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of Web3 hacking and development tips. So today's challenge is going to be the multisig guardians all of Unity sign, which I believe is a multi-signature wallet or smart contract. So without any further ado, let's start. Here I'm in the challenge environment. So what do we have to do? Steps: generate 3 different wallets, save the wallet and deploy the contract, transfer the whole amount to the provided address below. Okay, this is our smart contract called 3-owner multi-signature. We have a struct here. We have a mapping from unit mapping boolean public to approve. Yeah, we have only owner, 3 owners, constructor, deploy. Okay, submit transaction. So one need to submit transaction, and the other owners, including the one who submitted the transaction, must approve. And then execute the transaction. It's an internal. It will be called here in the approved transaction. So once everything is approved, everyone approved the transaction will be executed. So the contract is not deployed yet. There is no balance here. We need to provide 3 private keys. Okay, we need to say add them and deploy the contract. So let's start. We need to generate 3 wallets so we can deploy the smart contract. We need to import account from ETH account library, import account. So as we need to generate 3 wallets, we are going to need a loop for I in range of 3. Account equal to account dot create. This is the function that is going to generate a wallet, private key, and public key, but we need the private key, but I'm going to generate the wallet address along with the private key. Account create, okay, and let's print wallet address. It's going to be account dot address, and the private key going to be account dot key dot x parenthesis. Okay, and I'm going to print also a line between wallets, so multiply by 20. Okay, so what did we do here? We are going to print out a wallet address and the private keys. Let's save this code and let's run it. Python 3 wallet gen.py. Okay, so we have our wallet address and the private key. I'm going to copy paste the first one, paste it down here in the smart contract, and I'm going to take this one also, copy, paste it here, and the third one, copy and do the same. Add wallets. Okay, I added the wallets, and let's deploy the contract. Let's give it some time. Our contract is deployed at this address, and it has a balance of 22 Ethereum. Now what do we have to do? We need to submit the transaction call this function to submit transaction, and then approve the transaction with the 3 private keys that we have already generated, so we can execute the transfer. Here we have our Python code, so we can submit and make the transfer to the recipient. We have, as usual, the address, and here I provided the owner keys, the private keys, the API. We need to connect to the network, to the endpoint RPC. Okay, the most important, this is a function helper. I do this as usually always to prevent repeating typing this function, this command over and over again. So we need to submit a transaction. We need to input recipient address, the amount of Ethereum, and here in our case, the owner in 0, which is the first owner, this one, is the one who's going to submit the transaction. We provide the address to the amount of Ethereum, and the data here, it's going to be empty because we are going to transfer from this contract to, and we have already the function transfer here within the contract, to this contract to the recipient. We are not going to call any other function from outside this contract. Okay, and what do we need else? Get transaction count here. Okay, the transaction count, it is submitted transactions. Approve transaction, here we can approve one by one. Okay, or we can approve all of them at once. So let's run this code, Python 3 transfer.py. Okay, we need to submit transaction. Let's press 1. We need to submit the transaction. The recipient is going to be this address provided to us, as it is in the same node as the other addresses of the deployed contract. Okay, let's paste it. We need to transfer how much is the amount here. It's 20 Ethereum. Okay, so we have a transaction submitted. If we go here to press 2, we are going to see, where is it? Yeah, total transaction is 1. Okay, we have 1 transaction submitted, so we need to prove it. Let me back to the smart contract to make sure of something. Okay, address, transactions, public transactions. So it's a table here that received the submitted transactions. Okay, so here the table starts from 0, 1, 2. So the transaction 1 takes place of the ID, the index of 0. So if we go back here and submit transaction, get transaction, approve all with all owners, let's go for this one, 4. And we need to give it 0, the transaction ID. And let's go. Yes, the transaction is successful. First one is approving, second one, third one, everything. And if we go back to our smart contract viewer, we have our flag here, and the challenge is solved. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon on another video.